What jobs will survive? Your life is on the line. Your heart stops. There's no human in the room, only a machine. It cuts, it clamps, it decides if you live or die. A robotic arm moves with perfect precision. A digital voice whispers, "Procedure complete." And just like that, he survives. And here's the twist. That machine wasn't designed by a surgeon. It was trained by an algorithm. This isn't a concept. This is happening in a real operating room. So the question isn't if artificial intelligence will change the healthcare industry. The question is, what happens to the surgeons when it does? Do their hands become obsolete, or do they adapt to survive? Let's be clear. AI in healthcare isn't a theory anymore. It's operating right now, literally. Across major hospitals, robotic surgery systems like Da Vinci are assisting in delicate operations. They can hold tools steadier than any human. They never blink. They don't fatigue. Surgeons now guide these machines with a joystick. But how long before the machine no longer needs guidance? In a groundbreaking study at the University of California, robotic-assisted surgery showed fewer complications and faster recovery times than traditional surgery. This is the cutting edge of healthcare technology. This is digital health in motion. And it doesn't stop at robots holding scalpels. Artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry now analyzes pre-op data, predicts surgical risks, and customizes treatment plans faster than any human team could. Now, I want you to imagine something. You're wheeled into surgery, bright lights above, monitors beeping around you. But when you look up, you don't see a face. You see a camera, a screen. You ask, "Where's the doctor?" And a nurse replies, "The AI is performing your operation today." Would you feel safe or afraid? Because here's the truth. Machines can now stitch wounds, cauterize vessels, even make decisions mid-surgery. But they don't look into your eyes. They don't say, "I've got you." They don't care if you live. They just compute. So tell me, would you trust your life to a machine? Comment below. And if you believe we still need humans in the operating room, subscribe. Because the future of surgery is being written right now, and it needs your voice. Human versus machine. Now here's where it gets complicated. The rise of healthcare innovation doesn't just challenge the how, it challenges the who. According to McKinsey, automation could affect up to 800 million jobs worldwide, and that includes medicine. But not all surgeons are being replaced. In fact, some are becoming even more powerful with AI. Digital health tools are transforming operating rooms into data-rich environments. Surgeons can now access real-time imaging, AI-powered diagnostics, and predictive modeling before making a single incision. This isn't about removing the surgeon, it's about redefining them. The surgeons who survive won't be the ones with the steadiest hands. They'll be the ones who understand how to lead a machine, how to think faster than the algorithm. Because as smart as AI is, it still doesn't understand fear. It doesn't feel the weight of saving a life. It doesn't carry the scars. Robotic surgery is here. AI in healthcare is real, and the scalpel is no longer just in human hands. But when the lights are bright and the body is open, do you want data? Or do you want someone who's been in that moment 1,000 times before and still chooses to care? That's the future we're walking into. And whether you're a surgeon or a patient, you deserve to know what's coming. Let me know what you think in the comments. Because in this race between hands and code, the heart still matters.